Hi guys, hello everyone who's watching this video right now. And actually today I just want to show you the proof how I get 75 US dollar per hour from Google. Because some of the people, they actually wasn't believe that it's possible, because when I make the first video about that, a lot of the guys, they was asking me that it's real, can I really make the 75 US dollar from Google? And right now I just want to show you the proof, so you will see the notification in my mailbox and you will see the steps which you must to make exactly to achieve the same success, guys. So just let's do the same and let's achieve 75 US dollar per hour together. Let's go, I will show you everything. Okay, perfect. So right now we came to my office and I want to show you from my laptop screen which mail I received from Google, because a lot of the question was about that, how to get the 75 US dollar per hour with Google. And right now it's right here, guys. So let's watch. Right now you will see my screen. Right now you will see my screen exactly, guys. And we go into this mail. This is the user search at google.com. So user search at google.com, going right here, and let's read together. Let's read together right now. Hello from Google, want to share your thoughts on some cool new products and designs we're working on. If so, we invite you to take the survey below to see if you're qualified. If you're selected to participate, we will follow up with you shortly to set up your appointment time. So what it's about, guys? I guess they want to know some information about us, and of course they want us to fill some form. They want us to fill some form. We can see right now is here is the fill out this form. So I propose let's go together. Let's go together right now and we will achieve this 75 US dollar per hour. Yeah, you can see this 1 hour. Yeah, the links, the 1 hour duration of this will be, location is remote. We are Google Hangouts, and the money is 75 US dollar. This is really possible for everyone. Yeah, so let's go together right now, guys. So we're gonna fill this form. Fill this form right now. Okay, we can see this: participate in the upcoming remote Google usability study. So it will be some kind of this study, I guess. And some questions: would be able to participate in this study remotely? Of course, because I'm not in Los Angeles, California. I'm not in New York. I'm not in the United States, right? So just we go in that, yes, of course, remotely. I don't have another way to participate. Would you be able to access Google Hangouts? Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. Why not? Of course. Would you be willing to use the phone for this study? Guys, why not? We can do this. We can use the phone, but I guess I'm in Ukraine, and if they will call me from the United States, just I need to think. But I will choose yes. We'll choose yes. Of course, I have the phone. Of course, everybody have the phone, and it's really possible for everyone to do that. So where are you located? I'm located in Ukraine, guys. I'm located in Ukraine, and they want to ask me like where I'm located. I'm in Los Angeles. I'm in San Francisco. I'm in Chicago, New York, and the different areas. So what do you think? I think I will choose Los Angeles, guys, because if I will choose that I'm not from these areas, I guess they will not gonna choose me. Because when I made the first registration to participate in the getting paid like 75 US dollar per hour, I was provided that I'm from United States, and if right now I will provide different location, it will be not win situation. So okay, I'll just provide that I'm from the Los Angeles, California, just from Los Angeles. Yeah, I'm just from Los Angeles, and clicks next, guys. This is the Russian language of my Windows on my laptop. For you guys, I guess if you have the English version, will be the English. If Deutsch, so Deutsch. If Spanish, so you understand, right? Will be your language. Here's the button next. We click next to the next page, and what we must to choose right here. Right here we must to choose the time zone, guys. So the time zone. All right. I choose the Los Angeles, so there's the Pacific time. There's the Pacific time in Los Angeles, so I must to choose the Pacific. So I will choose this one, and we go in a little bit right here. So the days where I can participate is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All right, so there's will be the different time. So I guess what I will gonna do, I will choose any time. And we have this option right here is the all of the above, guys. All of the above what we have. Because if sometimes, I guess if I will choose some day, they will not gonna choose me. So I must to choose all of this. And then we will see. We click next, guys. We click next, and right now we must to place something right here. We must to place right here. So first and last name. Of course, it will be Tim Waider. First and last name, my name, and my surname. So the legal name in the different from above. If you come to for a Google office for the usability study, Google reception may ask for the identification for the verification purpose. Guys, of course it will be Tim Waider, but I will not gonna came to your office because I'm not in the United States right now. Yeah, I'm not in the United States, so I couldn't come. So we'll see what will be. We'll see what will be. So my best mail, of course, this Tim Waider at ukr.net. Who don't know, guys, is my best mail. My phone number is right here. It's right here, guys. It's the +38 066 9023 798. And also this my WhatsApp and Viber, guys. So we provide it right here. What's your age? My age is 29 years old, and we'll choose from the 25 to the 34. Okay. So it's right here. The gender, of course, it's male. If you're currently working, who is your employer? Guys, of course I'm working all the time, 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week. I'm working for the Be Epic. Actually, you can see right now the products from the Be Epic, and we have right here Be Epic. So we provide the Be Epic. And if you currently work in, what is your occupation? So if you're a student, and include what you're studying. If not, application, please write NA. So I'm not the student, right? I'm not the student. So just I will provide the distributor, guys. I just the distributor in the Be Epic. So just we made it like this. We made it like this. So we go next. We go next to the next page. All right. What we have right here? What we have right here? It's we must to provide some information about us. Yeah, I guess. What type of the phone do you use primarily? Actually, I use two types of the phone. One of them is on the iOS, another one on the Android. And right now, the one camera is recording for the iOS, and another one is right here on the Android, guys. So I will provide that I have the Android form. It's Android phone, guys. So I will provide this right here, and we'll go into the click next, because sometimes use iOS, sometimes Android, but most of the time is the Android. And that guys from the different countries, I guess all the time from the Africa and from the some Europe, they use an Android, and Android is the more popular. So we'll choose the Android. So have you used any of the following? What do we have there? Here's the Google Assistants, okay, Google, Siri, Alexa, and all that stuff. So just actually I never was used this kind of the, what is even that? I don't know even what is it, guys. I don't know what is it, but I will choose that never. If I will choose never, all that's this. So I guess that maybe it will be good, but maybe it will be not good. So what we can do, okay, so just I will provide it a few times per week. And here's the Siri. I will provide that I use maybe a few times per month. Alexa, I will provide that once more per day, so something like this I will choose. And this one, even I don't know what is it, so I will provide it never. So do you currently have the Google Assistant installed on your phone? Guys, I don't have it. So just I will provide it no, but I could install it. Just I will provide no. This series, I don't have this stuff. So what do you use an assistant other voice in version for? Playing music. Okay. So I guess right now I must choose that I have it. Okay. What I'm just thinking right now, guys. So do you currently have the Google Assistant installed on your phone? Okay, I will choose that yes right now, because they have the questions about that. What do you use the assistant other voice interference for? Playing music. Okay, so playing music, sending messages, make phone calls, learning new facts. Okay, so we choose the playing music, sending messages, and making phone calls. Okay, I guess it will be enough. It will be enough, guys. And we're gonna click next. So what we have right here, participate, guys. Of course we're going to participate. Which of the following devices do you currently own? Okay, I have the Android phone, I have the iPhone, what is right here? Android Auto I don't have, Google Home I don't have, Google Home Mini I don't have. Okay, I don't have this. So which the following devices have you considered purchasing recently? Pixel phone, iPhone, Alexa, Android. Guys, really I don't know which to provide. Okay, let's choose the same. Let's choose iPhone. All right, that will be enough, I guess. And we can choose Alexa also. All right, we're going next. Web and mobile usage. So how often you use the following apps, websites. So the Google Maps, the Instagram, the Chrome. Actually Instagram I use it every single day, a few times per day. The Chrome, guys, I use it every single day. The TripAdvisor I use not so much, not so often, but I use a few times per month. Yeah, I use this. This one I'm not using, but I will choose like less than one time in the month. The Google Maps, okay, we'll choose that a few times per day. Yeah, like we want to get the work from Google, so we must of course tell the Google that we use the Google stuff. So have you used Google search in the past month? Yes, of course, I use it every single day. So going next. Do you have any of the following connection to Google? I currently work at Google. I work at Google in the past. I have immediately a family member who works for Google. I have a close friend who works for Google. Guys, I don't have nobody who working in Google right now, and for Google don't have nobody. So just we click that we don't have it. If you have participated in any focus group and or user studies before, tell us when and which companies. Guys, like I never I didn't participate in something like that. So we click just next. Okay, just we'll click, we will provide no, and we'll send this information. Okay, we will finish, guys. We finished. So participate in upcoming remote Google usability study. Thank you. We'll be in touch directly. It looks like you have good. Yeah, we have the good for this study. Please note we'll receive a high number of the responses and can respond to each one individually, guys. But I think for us they will answer. They will answer on the 100%, and you will see how we'll get this work. It was Tim Waider. I really like to make this kind of the videos for you guys because all of you wants to get this work. Yeah, all of you wants to get the $75 per hour, and right now you see how you can make it. How you can make it. It's really simple, yeah. And also you will find information about the first video, how I get this notification. Yeah, you must make the simple registration, provide your information about yourself, and you will receive the same invitation for the making money with Google. Everybody can do that on the 100% from the different countries. It was Tim Waider, and I will see you in the next video when we will get this $75 to our pocket. We'll see you.